Assalamualaikum. Sa itinhabang na dawat ay muslimat, mga kamaro ko, fellow women, fellow people of the book, mga kapatid kong women of faith, mga kababayan, fellow peoples of the Philippines, Assalamualaikum. On this first Muslim Women Assembly in the Philippines, dahil sa makasaysayang event na ito, sinasabi ko rin kasama ninyo na totoo nga, dakila ang Panginoon, Allahu Akbar. Sabi po ni Lakshmi Puri, ang acting head ng UN Women, nung nagsalita po siya tungkol sa women empowerment sa Women Deliver Conference sa Kuala Lumpur noong nakaraang buwan, sabi niya, quote, "There are innumerable gold standards in terms of women's rights and sexual and reproductive health and rights. These are represented in the Cairo Program of Action, the Beijing Platform of Action, the Convention on the Elimination of all forms of discrimination against women." Talagay ko po, mga kabaro, na sa assembly na ito, tinutukoy niyo rin bilang isa pang gold standard ng women empowerment ang Islamic values. Sabi pa ni Lakshmi Puri, quote, "We also need to deal with the root causes of poor sexual and reproductive health, such as poverty, traditional harmful practices, and misinterpretation of religion, culture, and tradition to justify discrimination and inequality and harm to women." Yung pagiging better Filipinos ay isang bagay na pinagmuni-munihan natin bilang isang bansa nitong nakaraang 115th anniversary ng Philippine independence.